Welcome to Whole Screen. And if you want to add your own songs to Instagram story, sadly, guys, Instagram doesn't have that feature yet. So, guys, first thing that you must understand is, as you can see, when you are about to post a story and select the music icon on the top right, you should be able to only have the uploaded music into the Instagram, and you cannot upload your own songs. So in order for you to do that, you have to use a third party app, which is a CapCut, which is a free platform that you could use to overcome this issue. First, go to Edit tab at the bottom and then go to New Project over here. From here, just simply select a video from your gallery, select Add at the bottom right, and from here, just simply select Add Audio at the bottom over here. Now here on the Add Audio, select Sounds at the bottom. Now here on the Sounds tab, select the folder icon. Now you should be able to see here device, select device over here. And from here, you should be able to see all of your songs into your storage in your phone. So make sure you have your own song downloaded as an MP3 into your mobile device. And after that, you will just simply go ahead and select the music that you prefer and select the plus icon. Now from here, of course, just simply cut some parts and just make sure you had the right timing and make sure you had the right music at the right moment. And after that, once you have deleted them by selecting it and select delete, you just simply tap on export on the top right corner. And from here, you should be able to export in 1080p for free. And after that, you will have a music into your video, and you can just simply go to your Instagram and post that video in order for you to have your own music into your Instagram. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.